Hey kiddo, you ready to cook?
Yeah.
What are we making?
A flank steak.
And where does that come from?
A cow.
Okay, and what part of the cow?
Where their stomach connects to their back legs.
Yep, can you point to it on your body? Like where at, kind of?
Right here.
Yep, perfect. All right, go ahead and open it up.
Just black. Oh, okay.
Just absorbs some of the moisture. All right, and you're gonna lay it down and kind of unfold it a little bit.
What do you mean by unfold it?
See how those parts are?
Ew, what is that?
Just from oxygen and stuff, it can discolor it as well. Okay. So why do we like this cut of meat? What did I tell you about this cut of meat?
It doesn't have very much fat, which I don't like fat, so.
Correct. What are we gonna be putting on this flank steak today?
BIPP SLAP Rub.
All right. So we're gonna take some of this out and start putting it on the flank steak. You ready?
Oh, is that too much?
Just in one spot. Remember, just spread it out a little bit more as you're letting it. That's good. So when you're sprinkling it on, just move your hand back and forth, okay?
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
There you go. Keep going.
Rub it out a little bit.
Yep.
I didn't get very much that time.
There you go.
Do you put this on all your meat?
Just mostly the beef. It's good on chicken also, but I mainly use it for beef, like when Daddy does brisket.
Okay, I think that's
Keep going.
good.
Keep going. When you
okay.
You want to season a lot. Pretty good amount. There you go. Get these ends a little bit too, okay?
Will you are we going to cut the fat off?
No, because that little bit of fat, as it cooks, will render, which means that it basically melts.
Oh.
So that fat will kind of melt away and make it juicy. And then we're going to let this sit on here for a little bit because the salt in the rub helps tenderize the meat. So I call it sweating the meat. So after it sits here for a little bit, you'll see like the seasoning gets kind of wet.
We're going to stick this under the chimney to make a fire, and we're going to use the Weber kettle today.
Yep. Daddy's favorite. All right, let's do it.
So then do I have to fold it?
You can just stuff it under there anyhow. We sprayed some oil on there, right? It helped it burn longer. Just stuff it up in there.
All of it?
Yep.
Can there be a little piece hanging out?
Try not to, but if there's just a little bit, that's fine. Perfect. Here's the lighter.
I'm not lighting that.
It is kind of hard to push, but you just light it, and
I'm not scared of doing that. I couldn't push it.
And you just set it down, and it'll burn and get going.
Now we're going to go put the charcoal on the grill, and the meat is ready.
Why is the meat darker now, or like the rub looks wet?
Because we let it sit at room temperature, and like he said, he likes to call it sweat, and all of it like the tenderize and like the salts and stuff.
Yeah, it gets all in the meat and helps it tenderize. But you can see that it's sweating a little bit and everything is a little bit darker. You ready? Please do it.
Okay.
Piper didn't want to grab this, and I don't blame her because it's really hot. You can see. So we're going to do indirect. So I'm going to dump it on this side. You don't need a whole lot of charcoal. You can do this indirect. And then Piper's going to throw the meat on the other side. What is that you're using?
It's the Charleston hooker.
All right, so stab it on there. Hit it.
It's in there.
No, hit it on there and then twist. There you go. Yep, just like that. Perfect.
Now, is it going to fall through? Lay it.
Lay it. You want to lay it long way the other way. Do you want it to run this way?
Oh.
Or if you lay it down, you can lay it down and then you can fix it on the other way. Yeah.
Okay. Like that.
Yep. Move it over to you more.
Me.
Yep. Perfect. All right, so we got a little piece of cherry wood. We're going to throw this layer right across there. It's really hot here, so she couldn't wait. Everything gets cool. So we'll just lay this right on top like that. Get a little smoke. We got the probe in. We're going to run it to what temperature?
120.
Yep. And then after the internal temperature is 120, what are we going to do?
We're gonna put it directly on the fire.
Yep.